Good morning viewers. Today I just here in Chiang Mai. Then I planning to go today Chiang Dao. So I have to first go to bus terminal number 1. Then check the what time is the bus going to Chiang Dao. So today we will see Chiang Dao. And right now I am here in Chiang Mai, but I have to walk about 10 minutes from here to bus terminal number 1. Terminal 1. There is a HEP bus. Some buses going to from Chiang Mai to Chiang Dao. Yes, viewers, right now just I buy a ticket 46 baht for Chiang Dao. This bus going to 9:30 a.m. Every 1 hour one bus go from here Terminal 1 Chiang Mai to Chiang Dao and Pang. Thailand have so many places beautiful. Many people want go to anywhere. Is easy, but you have to must be understand which place first you have to go, because some places is like city, some places like forest. So right now I buy 46 baht for this ticket for this bus, and this is the information. If you want something ask here, this is information office, and that one the ticket office for the Chiang Dao. Yeah, Chiang Dao and Pang. I have to go now Chiang Dao. Chiang Dao is like mountain area, is beautiful, and almost people were passenger waiting here. And this terminal is like small, not same like Terminal 1, Terminal 2 or Terminal 3. This is Terminal 1, only for the inside the local bus, some places near Chiang Mai. And when you are coming back to from Chiang Dao, same day, you can morning go and come evening back, same terminal again. So after that you can take the tuk-tuk, the yellow color. This tuk-tuk going to Terminal 2 and Terminal 3, around 30 baht. You have to pay 30 baht, but this is some office for the van if you are especially booking for the some van. And this is the telephone number, and start from here this time bus to Lampong. And tuk-tuk also have green color. I don't know where going. This is parts of Chiang Mai map. If you are going to some places, especially book this tuk-tuk, you have to pay around, I don't know how much the passenger capacity, or you have to pay full, then you can go. Even you are 1 person, even you 12 person, you can take this bus, especially private. Otherwise I have to wait right now, because exactly time is 9:12 a.m. It's morning 12 July, sorry. So this bus is going to Chiang Dao, but this is a normal bus, the low cost price. Ticket price is 46 baht. If you want some bus special, maybe the 70 or 75 baht. But one bus go special and 3 times this low cost bus go. Okay, so we will see today Chiang Dao. And here also have some special bus van. I don't know where going. Yeah, same like this area. Chiang Mai to Sankapong, Sankapong, Borsang. Yeah, this maybe this one go. And tuk-tuk here is so many. If you want go Chiang Mai anywhere, easy. Okay, so I have to wait for about 9:30 start from here. Around 1 hour maybe this from Chiang Mai to Chiang Dao. 46 baht Chiang Dao. And right now I'm sitting in the bus. And right now bus departure 9:30. Still is Chiang Mai city right now here. And after 1 hour, maybe we are reach in Chiang Dao. Chiang Mai city. Yes, right now our arrival Chiang Dao bus terminal, and this is the bus terminal Chiang Dao. From here you can go same like mountain area. Is very beautiful view, place, everything is very beautiful. And if you want the same day going to back evening time Chiang Mai, you can. This bus very cheap, around 46 baht from here to Chiang Mai. But have a small van also, maybe expensive little bit. And this is bus terminal also very beautiful from Chiang Dao. And right now I have to ask about what time go back, but actually I want only information about the back time. And this bus go from here right to from here to Pang, the Pang city. After this one, many places. So this is the ticket office information. I have to ask about what time is going to. Hello, Swadikap. What time is going to this bus back to Chiang Mai? This is the timetable. The bigger, okay? Every 1 hour. Yes. 46 baht, right? Same price, na? 46, na? This bus.
46 aircon 83 baht.
No need aircon. Pan only, pan. 46, 2 o'clock.
1 o'clock
1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, and the last bus
4 o'clock.
4 o'clock. Okay. Kapun kap. Okay, viewers, right now I already information, and maybe you can mobile charge. Your mobile is, for example, battery is low. You can charge here. This is free cost. No need to pay. And if you want to buy something from here, same like a small grocery. If you want to buy noodles, buy everything, and soft drink from there, and chips, lays, everything you want buy from here and pay here. Then also here are something food available here. Here's Thai people is more, I think, Thai and Burmese, some peoples. But actually some people don't know English, but its information is okay. You can ask any question. And this is the map of Chiang Dao. Which place you want to go, you can choose from here. Oh, is Chiang Dara coffee. What is 74 kilometer. Or if you want to go from here to Dao Campus. Yeah, like this area. This area, if you want to go, this area is hot spring bath. Hot spring bath is mean is hot water you can shower here. I don't know what is this actually, but this place of Chiang Dao is very nice. There is a lot of more places is about for tourists. And that one the Chiang Mai. Chiang Mai 74 kilometer from here. Hotel, resort, everything you want. This is easy to you can find from this. And also you can scan code and telephone number, everything you can find here, and you will go anywhere. It's easy, I think. Even some people don't know English, but you can choose from map, from some people is a little bit English okay, same like me, is okay. So let me see today what it is here in the Chiang Dao. Then after I have to go evening 4 o'clock back to Chiang Mai. And there is bus station. Also have you have to pay 5 baht and use the toilet. Direction board toilet. You have to pay 5 baht. And this is the air conditioned bus. If you want to go to Pang from here, 94 baht. Air conditioned bus. And from here to Chiang Mai is 83 baht. This air conditioned bus. Yes, viewers, this is Chiang Dao bus station. Right now I have to exit from here to walk because this is a city same like village, not bigger city. 74 kilometer far from Chiang Mai. If you want come by yourself, take motorbike rent, I think is 1 hour you come here. After 1 hour you reach here. So otherwise if you come by bus is very easy. Bus, pan bus and air conditioned bus. But here is the daytime today. I think is a kilometer. I think 29. So if you want come by air condition is okay, but fan also very nice. No hot too much. If a fan bus also running in the way, so you feel cool because the wind is very cool this area. Almost is mountain area, but this village is mountain is around the mountain area, but mountain is too far. So I have to go see today city view. This Chiang Dao city. We will see what is this here. And today is closed. I ask some tuk-tuk. I want to go to there in the mountain sky view. So he said me today is closed. So I have to return to back to Chiang Mai this evening. And right now I want to see this is the place. What is this kind of this? We will see today this place only, like Chiang Dao city. So here is some people selling the durian. Huh? Sawadee Cup, yes. YouTuber. Okay. Yeah. Okay. 1 minute. He asking me about what it. Oh, my friend. Yes. Is coconut how much here is? I am from Pakistan. Yeah. This is how much coconut? How much coconut one piece? Viewers is the local. Huh? 35? 35 one piece coconut? Okay, just moment. I will finish this. Here is some fruit is selling, but viewers, I think this durian is more expensive because this fruit is very nice. Durian, I like also. So this way I have to go about 1 kilometer far from here. So see, we will see the village of Chiang Dao. And this is the Chiang Dao city is like a small village, and they have also some guest room, hotel and resort, very cheap. And this is also a temple like that if you want to visit here, and some place. Chiang Dao is also picnic point, so if you come here visit, because it have some mountain is very beautiful. If you go top of the mountain and you can see down, is very nice view, beautiful. So today is some tuk-tuk driver told me is closed. If you want to go there, is close it. So today I not go there, and we will see again city Chiang Dao. We were here is Chiang Dao city, some hotel. We will see right now the room per night, how much the cost. Okay, and this is single standard double room is 500 baht, right?
Yes.
And standard twin room is 600 and 700. Standard twin room with breakfast 800 baht per night. Check-in time 12 p.m. and check-out time 12 a.m. So this is the Chiang Dao hotel. We will see another also some parts of Chiang Dao city. This is very nice view. If you stay here, if you go take the motorbike, if you take the rent car, you go to mountain area in the morning around this area, then to come to back evening your hotel again. Yes, this is a hotel. I already show you the cost per night. 800, 600 and 500. 800 with breakfast. So I think it's very nice. Room is clear. You can see outside view from this window. And we will see some other side of Chiang Dao village. And right now I walk from bus station around here about 5 minutes only. Then I have to 5 minutes more walk. We will see something maybe. Durian is a very nice fruit I like. Here is available in the stray. You can buy durian, is very cheap. And this tuk-tuk, if you want to go to some mountain area, you can take rent and you can go anywhere in the Chiang Dao city, Chiang Dao village, anywhere. Easy and low cost. We will see the durian price right now is 250 baht, 195 220 baht, like that, like that, like that, like that, like that. Okay. So we were Sawadika Kapunka she's selling durian and very nice fruit and fresh. Right now she cutting durian and put here, keep here, and people to come to here and buy. Okay, so we will see right now again little forward, straight. And this is the bank. If you want something, you have something to ATM, you can use ATM also if you need an ATM machine. Otherwise, I think there is if you walk from here to 20 minutes or 30 minutes, you can see some fuel station, and they also have a ATM machine. And if you want buy street food, they have also chicken 49 baht and 65 baht with Pepsi and rice. And this chicken straight, that one. If you're walking from here, you can buy, and you can, if you're hungry, you can sit down here, eat, and then you again walk easy. And that side also have mountain is very far. If you take the motorbike, you can go enjoy all mountain area. This is same like Pai, but Pai mountain is near, but Chiang Dao is mountain is a little far. Yes, viewers, if you come here, also some clinic, hospital, small available here. If you have emergency problem. And this is exactly Chiang Dao village, city or maybe village, as you like. I think it's city because from there to until bus station around 1 kilometer. This is all like a city. It's city, I think, Chiang Dao city. Oh, very nice. And viewers, right now I come here in the small restaurant. They have very nice noodles, but I can't eat, that's why. So I have actually my something bread from by 7-Eleven before morning. So I keep it in the bag. So right now I take it this bag, and this egg from this restaurant I buy very cheap cost, about little bit money, only like 10 baht. Okay, one egg only. Then after I eat my lunch, then after I have to go from here to another side. So we will enjoy right now. Yes, viewers, if you visit here, also some parts of this like tuk-tuk. If you take tuk-tuk, you going to how much if you go to, for example, open, how much, my friend? It's, yeah, to if open, sometime open, if you go and come, how much money?
1,200 baht.
Bal. Huh? My friend, two-way I ask already in the bus station, not same money, you take big money.
Where are you go?
Not going, I just show, I ask you, then after. Yeah, I show my viewers about the cost, how much this one, okay? Go to mountain area. So you take 1,200 is big, I think. You take big money. It's okay, no problem. I just asking you, okay? Today was closed also, no problem. And we were see take also a little bit expensive because I asked there in the bus station, not same cost. Is cost low, maybe 800 or 600 like that. Is it take 1,200. Some people like that here. Some people take big money and some people take the correct, exactly good money. So viewers, this is the Chiang Dao village city. From start from that mountain to until the end of this way. And this village, this city, sorry, beautiful about the mountain, but you cannot walk from here mountain. If you have motorbike, if you have tuk-tuk, or if you have some car, personal rent car, you can go the mountain area. Is very nice view, beautiful area, place. Okay, so right now I have to return to back to bus station again because I walk from there to until here is around 1 kilometer far bus station. Hello viewers, this is my mistake because I asked before. He said me the 5 passenger, 6 passenger, this capacity take 1,150 baht. He said this tuk-tuk around 5 passenger, 6 passenger. And which place you going to? Tell me, my friend. Tell me which place around this area.
To go to Chiang Dao cave. 150 baht. 1 people, 5 people.
5 people, 1,150 baht. 5 people.
150.
Per person, 150 per person.
No. One person and 5. 150 baht.
Okay. So you understand, my viewers, this tuk-tuk go around this mountain area, but right now is closed. He said one person is 150 and 5 people 1,150 baht. So that here is like domestic people, some English is okay, but I don't understand also. He very quickly talking, that's why. So okay, right now is post office and government office, everything available. This is city, and that one the fire section, and this I don't know what it is here, maybe resort. No, this is also government office. Actually, I don't know what it is about because they are writing in Thailand language only. Okay, viewers. So right now I have to go gasoline station because there is some toilet. Then after finish, I will come back to bus station again. Again, wait for the Chiang Mai bus. Yes, viewers, Chiang Dao is city, not a small village. It's city. I think it's so many banks also here and car showroom, hotel, resort, same like Pai city. Yeah, very beautiful. And this is the police station, Chiang Dao. And that one the Pai section. And street food you can buy from here, anything. If you walk from bus station around here, you can buy street food from here. Yes, Chiang Dao is, I think, is same like Pai. This is not village, this city. The capacity is more because I just walk from bus station to here around 1 kilometer and a half. So I see everywhere is fuel station, bank, 7-Eleven, and also have here is Lotus shopping. If you buy something from here, so that's mean it's not village, it is city. It's very nice. Actually, here all people come, all visitor come about not for only city looking, just coming for the mountain area. That one, you see my hand. That mountain area around this Chiang Dao city, around this all mountain area, and very nice and very beautiful views. So that's why people come here. We will see from here, just parts of some mountain area, there is clear. So that's why people come to here, because only for the mountain view, and garden also here very beautiful. So let me see from here some parts, area like better I will go down first. Fish also can buy from here, fish available, and you can come to here and buy fish. They cooking for you, same time is fry and very nice fish. Okay, let me see, that area is very nice view. That's why Chiang Dao is very beautiful city. This is around a mountain area. Yeah, we will see from here to some parts clearly. Yes. I am scared maybe some dog available here. Maybe some dog is sleep like that. But no more dog is okay. So viewers, this city I think is good for the tourist picnic point. It's very nice view, beautiful. Yes, here they also have some coffee shop. You can take rest here and sit down here and see the sea view. I will ask about the for this side. Okay, can I? Yes, viewers, very nice place. You can see from here, like mountain area is like beautiful places. Chiang Dao. And this is the restaurant. If you come visit here and sit down here, and very cool wind. After that you sit down here and eat eat here. Then after you will go to right side is Chiang Dao bus station and city. And very this is around this area almost is the mountain area. And viewers, right now I come here in toilet because there is no pay money, free in the gasoline station. Anywhere in Thailand gasoline station, if you need toilet, no need to pay money, just come use toilet free. And this is the gasoline station, that one. I walk from bus station until 1 kilometer and a half to come here and use this toilet free. This is for male and this is for female. So I have to go back to bus station because the 4 o'clock exactly bus going from here Chiang Dao to Chiang Mai. The Pan bus low cost. Ticket price 46 baht. That's why Thailand is the best, because anywhere in the gasoline station you can find the toilet is free. Anywhere, all Thailand. Chiang Dao. And right now exactly bus coming. I waiting here and going to back to Chiang Mai. This bus and Pan. And this one also Pan, this one also Pan. But if you want to go to with air conditioned bus, so 83 baht. And this one only 46 baht. Here is so many seats available for Chiang Mai. You can choose any one, sit down, then going to Chiang Mai. And window exactly open also. Passenger sitting right now. This is Chiang Dao. After 1 hour from here to after 1 hour reach Chiang Mai bus terminal 1. Yes, viewers, right now I am exactly sit down back to Chiang Dao to back to Chiang Mai. And if you buy ticket inside bus 46 baht. Just right now departure from here 4 p.m. and 10-minute extra. So I buy Sadi Cup. This is the Chiang Dao city. Very beautiful. Behind this mountain is very beautiful view. Okay viewers, so when I reached there in Chiang Mai, that time is this video finish. But right now I waiting for some places, beautiful places like mountain area from Chiang Dao to Chiang Mai. Chiang Dao also I think is a picnic point. It's very nice place, very nice city for the picnic. A lot of tourist people come to here also. This city like a mountain, around the mountain area is beautiful. Chiang Mai bus terminal number 1. Yes, viewers, right now I arrival again, same bus come to here in Chiang Mai, back to Chiang Mai, from Chiang Dao to Chiang Mai. 46 baht again I pay to come here. And right now this terminal 1 Chiang Mai bus station, terminal 1. That bus is the last bus from Chiang Dao to come here, pan bus, not air condition. Okay, so right now I am already in Chiang Mai. So this video from tour of Chiang Dao finish, and take care. Bye bye.